Alpha and Lost Mary, which are made by the same Chinese firm, Shenzhen Imiracle Technology Company, made up more than half that number. That is an increase of more than 4 times compared to their sales the year before. Councillor David Fothergill, chairman of the LGA's Community Wellbeing Board, said, "Disposable vapes are fundamentally flawed in their design and inherently unsustainable products, meaning an outright ban will prove more effective than attempts to recycle more vapes." Councils are not against vaping altogether, as they believe vapes are less harmful than tobacco and can help smokers to quit. John Dunnay, Director General of the UK Vaping Industry Association, said that the low price, accessibility and ease of use of disposable products had helped bring UK smoking rates to an all-time low. The vape industry is working hard to minimize its environmental impact, but this is mainly a consumer education issue about how to dispose of used vapes, which overall are evidenced to be highly recyclable, he said. He told BBC Radio 4's Today program, "Disposables have been around for well over a decade and provide a low-priced accessible product that helps smokers to quit smoking tobacco. A blanket ban could see potentially deadly black market products flood the UK," Mr. Dunnay warned.